Will. I work in the Assistive Technology program, and this is Caitlin Smith, a USF graduate student, and we're going to demonstrate how to use partner-assisted scanning with a letterboard as a nonverbal mode of communication. So the first thing that you're going to want to do when you're working with a patient who is unable to speak and unable to use their hands to communicate is identify a gesture that they'll be able to use to indicate when they want you to stop with a scanning. So we'll go into that a little bit more, but first, Caitlin, can you show me how you're going to gesture to me that you want me to stop scanning? Okay, so Caitlin is going to be using a head nod. Other people might be using a blink, a long blink, 2 blinks, eyebrow raise, whatever it is that they're able to do. You'll want to identify that first before you get started. So to use a letterboard for partner-assisted scanning, the listener will hold up the letterboard so that the patient can clearly see it. Notice that each row starts with a vowel so that it's easy for you to be able to recognize what's in that row without actually having to look and turn to see it. So I'm going to go through one row at a time to help Caitlin spell a message to me. So Caitlin, come up with a word that you'd like to communicate to me, just a short word for practice, and we're going to go for the first letter. So it's the first letter in the A row. So she indicated yes, so I'm going to go one letter at a time until I identify the first letter. Is the first letter A, B, C, D? And so she nodded yes, so I know the first letter is D. I'm using a boogie board here just so that I can write down the letters as she spells so that I don't forget as we get farther along. You can use a notepad as well. So first letter is D. Caitlin, we're going to go for the second letter now. Is it in the A row? E, I, O. Is it O? All right, so the second letter is O. And notice Caitlin is not telling me no for each question or each letter that I'm indicating. She's only giving me yes responses. So that's going to be important for someone when you want them to kind of preserve their energy levels. So we've got D, O, third letter. Is it in the A row? E? Is it E? F? G? All right, so is your word dog? All right, so that's how you use partner-assisted scanning.